Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA, Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red line annotations are coming from. And after today, definitely updates need to be made. This was the only stock that I traded today, did well with it. I don't own any shares, so from a disclosure standpoint, I'm currently in cash, don't own anything. But definitely the first key level that needs to be updated and that I will be watching very, very closely is right here. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's essentially what happened today. The price gapped up above it, and then you can see a whole bunch of times. Now, was it exact to the penny? No, but generally speaking, you can see that the price did a great job just bouncing around and staying above that green line, including the final 30 minutes right there. But that level is also being threatened of potentially being broken. So 124, very, very important level that a whole lot of people will be watching. And when you have lots of people watching the same level and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's exactly what's going to be going on here with 124. Because if that level fails, especially if it's a high volume break to the downside, then no such thing as a guarantee. But it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price then potentially drift down to the $120 mark. So from a trading, perspective, that's a potential $4 move right there. And, that could be worthwhile a lot of people's time depending on their strategies. But my point is, from the technical point of view, a lot of people are going to be watching 124. A lot of people are going to be watching that 120 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report from the previous videos. Still all about that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. The price got somewhat close to it, but not really today. So keep an eye on that from the resistance standpoint. But the two main levels that I'm most curious about and we'll be watching closest on Monday is going to be 124 and then the 120 mark. So we'll see what happens with it as next week plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.